Ma'am, we'd like to call you concerning your car's extended warranty. Ma'am.
Hey, big dog, how long you been out on the streets for? And you think Canada played a part in this? I bet. And if you had one message to the world, what would it be? Oh, run! Run!
You want to see something pretty cool? Here, watch my eyeballs. Hunter mode, activate. Scanning, 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 scanning for prey. Scanning for prey. Prey located. Preparing to pounce.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't.
You're not helping. You're not being a very emotionally supportive cat. Oh my god.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
What is this? Give me a hug. Give me a hug. I need this.
To be on the counter. No. No, 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 no.
Oh, stop playing the rap. Bro, did you really just bite me, bro? After everything I did for you, I saved you from that shelter. They were gonna put you down. I raised you, I fed you, I gave you everything. Why?
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Are you stuck?
Gonia.
No, 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 no. Go, go.
Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean?
هات اللحمة. هات. Me.
I need my jacket.
Do you want to eat? Okay. Yeah.
This is the most ferocious killer in Africa. Despite looking silly and clueless during the day, it becomes even more adorable at night. The black-footed cat, the second smallest cat in the world, with an average weight of only 1.6 kilograms, looks exactly the same as its child. The larger one is the black-footed cat, while the smaller one is its offspring. Due to taking care of its young during the day and sleeping at night, it often wakes up hungry in the late hours. It can cover a distance of 3 kilometers in one night, making its hunting range very extensive. With a menu consisting of over 1,700 different small animals, the black-footed cat may be small in size, but is mighty in strength, boasting a hunting success rate of up to 60%, 3 times that of a lion. As the most formidable hunter in the feline family, its dream is to conquer a giraffe. Black-footed cats are solitary animals, even when they have their own offspring. Once the young black-footed cats learn to hunt, they are reluctant to share their prey with their family. When the black-footed cat reaches 5 months of age, the mother cat will leave them to venture out on their own in the vast African land and begin their own life journey.
मेरा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे हर अपडेट आपको मिले, इसके लिए बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइएगा।
भाई ने बोला करने का तो करने का।